This is Bavi in Kannada. We call it as a Bavi. Still water is there inside. If you see inside, still water is there. Oh my God! All water come place to this. That is the way of water. It will flow from that place to here. So that is inside how it will go.